Namaste students, welcome to 8th standard mathematics class. In previous session we completed polynomial chapter. In today's session I am going to start a new chapter, that is linear equations in one variable. Linear equations in one variable, this is important chapter. Only two worksheets you have in your textbook. One is application based, another one is equation, simplification of equations. Okay. In the board examination, it carries nearly 10 to 12 marks. In question paper, questions arised under this chapter carries 10 to 12 marks. In this video, I am going to give an introduction about linear equations in one variable. So let us discuss what do you mean by variable, equation, linear equation in one variable. So before going to start, let us recall what we discussed in 6th standard and 7th standard. In 6th and 7th standard, we discussed about algebraic expressions, equations, linear equations in one variable, and also how to find the solution for the equations. Now let us start with algebraic expressions. I will give some examples here. 2x plus 3, 4y minus 7, 5p plus 8. Here I gave some example. These examples are called algebraic expression. Algebraic expressions are the expressions. It is the combination of variables and constants connected with fundamental basic mathematical operations. One more time I am going to repeat. Algebraic expression, it is a combination of constant and variables connected with some basic mathematical operations. Mathematical operations nothing but plus, minus, multiplication and division. Here 2, 4, 5. These are called the constants. Constants nothing but the value does not changes. It is constant always. And x, y, p, these are called variables. It varies according to the equation or according to the situation. The values are going to change. So those are called variables. Here it may be anything. Alphabets, any alphabets are called variables. Here you can take A, B, P, M, N. Here I took X, Y, P. These are the variables. These variables and constants are connected with some mathematical operations, that is plus, minus, multiplication or division. So these are called algebraic expressions. Now let us go with equations. To understand the equation, I am going to take same algebraic expression here. 2x plus 3, I am going to write is equals to 5, any number. 4y minus 7 is equals to 0. 5p plus 8 is equals to 11. Here, algebraic expression, when it is expressed is equals to some number or some any variables connected with the numbers, these are called the equations. Equation is the statement of equality which involves one or more variables. Here I took only one variable example. These are called the equations. What is the main difference between the algebraic expression and equations? Here expression, there is no equal sign. In the equations, there is a equal sign. Here you can observe equal sign left side is called LHS part. This part we call as a LHS part, left hand side. Equation right side, nothing but is equals to right side. We call this as RHS, right hand side. So these are about the equations. Now we need linear equations in one variable. What is the meaning of linear equations in one variable? The name itself only indicates equations. Already we know equations. Linear equations. Linear nothing but always one. Linear equations in one variable. Nothing but the equation having the highest power of the variable is 1, and also the variable should be 1. There is no another variable. Here there is no Another variable, nothing but if I take one equation 2x plus 3 equal to 5. Here how many variables are there? Only one variable. What is that variable? X. Here x having the highest power, that is 1. If I write 4y square plus 6y minus 7 equal to 5 or equal to some any number 5. One more equation I am going to write. 3t square minus 5t minus 7 equal to 0. One more I am going to give. 3x plus 5 equal to 7. You can observe here, highest power of the variable is 2 here. In the next equation, highest power of the variable is 2. And you can observe here, the highest power of the variable is 1. We can say 3x plus 5 is an example for linear equation in one variable. How many variables are there in this equation? Only one. What is that? X. And also what is the highest power of the variable? 1. So these are about the linear equation in one variable. So in 9th standard, in 10th standard, you are going to discuss linear equation in two variable and application problems. For your 8th standard, only we are going to study a linear equation in one variable and also application based questions. Now let us know about how to find the solution for linear equation in one variable. There are mainly 5 methods are there. First one is by adding a number without changing the equation on both sides, or by subtracting a number without changing the equation value on both sides. And another one is multiplying the number on both sides, or last one is dividing the number on both sides. So these are the 4 methods. Another one, last method is transposing the terms. Nothing but by taking all the constant one side, nothing but in RHS or LHS, or making the variable single. By doing this, we can find the value of or solution of the equation. And also we call root of the equation. Mainly 5 methods are there. Last method, that is transposing method, nothing but making all the variables one side and constant another side by changing the sign. That method we are going to discuss in 8th standard linear equations in one variable. These all about the introduction about linear equation in one variable. Now let us discuss our 8th standard concept in detail.